Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw on your dishwasher door. The reason why you might have to do this is because screws are damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So you'll see on our dishwasher door here, we've got several screws that hold the two sides together. Now on this side, we're actually missing a screw. You're just going to have to make sure that you're getting the proper screw when you look this up, because our screws on the end here are actually a bit longer. So you'll want to make sure that you're getting the right part number, because these are actually, they have the same head and everything, it's just a different length. So now, grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to be using a special bit on this. It's a VT15. It's got like a star head on it. And you're just going to put this screw into the hole there, and we'll screw it down. There we go. So the screw is nice and tight. And now we can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.